This is Chris Ayers with Video Insight. Today we're going to look at and view the server statistics option in the Video Insight VI monitor. Note, this option is only accessible and viewable to administrators of the software. To access server statistics, I'm going to find the administrative tab from my ribbon here, select that. I'm then going to go under the system here and I'm going to select statistics. These statistics are going to be the information that's really coming in to the server, either from the cameras, based on the storage, and a variety of other options that we'll see here. The very first tab is my Overview tab. This will show me how many servers I'm connecting to, how many cameras I am connecting to with those two servers in this instance, how many servers are not currently up, and then how many of those cameras are not currently streaming based on the server. So it will show me the name of the server, the version the software is running, the IP address it is streaming across, its serial, and then the breakdown of its serial, how it's being utilized. Under server status, this will show me a real-time snapshot of how much memory is available, total memory, how much processor is being utilized, and then what OS type it is, 64 or 32. In this window, it's one of the first options I can come in and do a constant update and watch my resources change on that server status. Under camera status, it's going to break down once again by server, and it's going to show me all the cameras associated with those servers, different servers. It'll show me the address the camera's streaming on, the last time we received an image, which is live video, the last time an image was written, which is recorded video, the resolution that is being streamed from camera to server, the amount of frames that are being streamed from camera to server, the frame size, the average bandwidth that is being streamed from camera to server, the capture format, camera side or server side motion detection, and then the manufacturer and model for those specific cameras. You can search by things like resolution or frames by clicking the icon and then putting it into a specific order. Under storage, or under here, if you'll notice there's little periodic buttons there. If I click things like server name, it will allow me to search specifically based on my own servers or custom options. Same thing with resolution. So if I want to see all of the 1600 by 1200 cameras that I have connected to, there they are. Under storage, storage is going to break it down once again in the drop down here by server. It's going to go in and show you all the cameras that exist at that server, how many days of recorded history exist for those cameras, and how much space is being used. It will also show you the physical folder that's being written to currently for those cameras. Availability is a snapshot of basically the last 7 days of these servers, how much they were up, if there was any downtime in those 7 days, and if there were any failures that have occurred. These could be things like cameras going down or cameras coming back up, information that I can get via this system log. And the last thing it will show me is online users. It will show me what individual usernames are currently logged in to my server. If I have administrative rights, I do have the ability to reboot the user so they actually are logged out of the server and would have to be back at their desk to log back in. You can come in and save a summary report. This will save it as an HTML document, or I can come and export data, which will save it as an Excel spreadsheet.